This video looks at the Suvat equation, equations of linear motion. Now, when it comes to Suvat, lots of pupils tend to get a little bit scared and frightened. There's nothing to be scared or frightened about. So the first thing we have to do for Suvat is just to go through and make sure we know what each of these letters stand for. So the S is for distance, displacement, and that's going to be measured in meters. The U is the initial velocity, the starting velocity. And that's measured in meters per second. V is the final or finishing velocity, and again that's going to be measured in meters per second. A is acceleration, and that's measured in meters per second squared. And T is time, and that's measured in seconds. So when it comes to a Suvat equation, I recommend that you write down Suvat down the side of your exam paper. Remember, you want to do these as well in the FIFA format. Again, I have a video earlier on about how to answer calculation questions, equation questions using the FIFA format. So let's say the information that we have been given is that we are told that our initial velocity is 2 meters per second. Our final velocity of the object is moving is 10 meters per second, and the time taken for all of that is going to be 2 seconds. But what we want to do here is work out S. Now, the Suvat equation, is V squared take away U squared equals 2 times acceleration times the distance. So we have to put those numbers in of what we know. So when we do that, we've got V squared. V squared is going to be, let's try again. It's going to be 10 squared, take away U squared, which is 2 squared, is equal to 2 times the acceleration times the distance. Now we need to know the acceleration for this. So we can work out the acceleration using A equals V, take away U, divided by T. So that's our acceleration equation, the change in velocity divided by time. And our change in velocity then will be V take away U, so 10 take away 2, which is 8, divided by the time taken that we have here, that's going to be 2. So our acceleration is equal to 2. So we can now put that in now. So it's not equal to 2 at all, it's equal to 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So we have 4 there. So using the FIFA method, we want to fine tune this, get rid of these squares and things. So 10 squared is going to be 100, take away 2 squared, which is 4, is equal to 2 times 4, which is 8, times the S there. Let's go down one step further. 100 take away 4 is 96, and that's then going to be equal to 8S. We want to rearrange this completely. So S is going to be equal to 96 divided by 8, which is equal to 12. So on here we know that's going to be 12 meters, and our acceleration here is 4 meters per second squared. And you can put everything into your calculation there just to confirm it. So v squared take away u squared, 100 take away 4 is 96, 2 times 4 times 12 is 96. So that's how we can put numbers into our Suvat equation and rearrange it slightly. So if we want to work out the distance, its distance is equal to v squared take away u squared divided by 2 times the acceleration. And if we want to work out the acceleration, we can do it v squared take away u squared divided by 2 times the distance. I'll do a part 2 video from that later on where we can work out how to work out velocity, final velocity and initial velocity from this calculation. So for the meantime, practice doing that. Good luck.